This is Uncle Timo again, and OBS is being a bitch today. I have no idea what the hell is going on. I just want to show you that I have actually drawn a river and railroads / roads, and this is gonna be a quick and dirty video. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay. First, let's draw the roads because it's easier. Roads, default road. Okay. You start from where you right click, and then you left click to the side you want to draw the road in. So you start, for example, here. You right click, and then on whichever border of the hex you want to draw, that's where you click on the next hex. See it? Hopefully I'm explaining this correctly. So from here you can just continue left clicking. So if you want to go up, you go up, but we don't want that. So let's right click here and left click to delete it. Oops. Right, do you see it? So you draw and delete the same way. You start on the hex where you right click, and then you left click where you want to go, or delete it the same way. So you right click, left click, left click, left click, and that's it. So we have this going for us. Let's actually delete this and go a little bit. No, that's good enough. Okay, and drawing mode. So you can see that I have drawn these connecting Smolensk, Polotsk, Dvinsk, okay, Velikie Luki, and I also went all the way from Klaipeda, Liepaja, all the way here, because I believe that's how historically it was connected on the coast. Okay, and it's actually showing this on the map. So I was just following the actual historical map. Probably easier to spot here. See this? I am just connecting it all the way here, and I went all the way, right click and then left click all over to connect all the way, all the towns on the north side of the land. Okay. Now, I also went to Google Maps, which kind of suck, and I drew this river because I saw this river here, so I just kind of drew it. And how you draw a river, I will show you. Big draw type, rivers, river, okay, and it's the same way like you draw the roads. Where you want to start? Okay, let's say you want to have a river going from this little lake, Lake Ilmen, down from, going south near Staraya Russa. So you right click where you want to begin, and then on whichever border of the hex you want to draw this, you left click. Okay, so you want to draw this here, you left click. See it? It drew. Then what you want to do is you want to go right click, okay, on this same hex, and to go down, left click here, and it draws on this border. Left click, left click, left click, left click, left click. See it? To delete it, same thing. You right click, and then left click to draw the river again in the same spot, which deletes it. Left click, left click, left click, left click, left click, left click, left click. Now, let's say you want to go horizontal. That's a bit harder. Start with the right click example, and let's go horizontal. So let's go up with the left click. So it's going to draw here on this edge. Then you right click here. And let's say we want to go down and kind of meander. So right click here, left click, right click here, left click. Okay, you want to draw this, so you can left click here, boom. You want to draw up, boom. Let's go down. So let's go here. So go to this hex and left click. Go down and left click. Go here and draw here on this edge. Downside right, down right. So you left click and then up, left click again. Okay. So if you want to delete it, same thing. You right click and then you just left click all over this place. So, like so. On this one, we're gonna delete the top one first, so we click top. Now we're gonna right click and left click here, and voila, river is gone. So that's how you do it. On Google Maps, I just saw this river here, which was a major one. Velikia, I don't see, there should be a Dvina here. I might actually go to Google Maps right now and see where the hell was a different river, because this looks a little bit river-ish, too few rivers, okay? So I'm gonna see this next, but again, roads are very simple, just because it's a tutorial. Let's do it again. Roads, right click, and then you start left clicking in the direction you want to go. Roads are simpler than actual rivers. So to delete, you overdraw road again on the same spot. So right click, start left clicking, following the road, and drawing mode. And it's as simple as that. So I did it all the way here, and it's kind of hard to spot. So let's go to setting, approved overlay, cancel. Okay, and now the overlay is gone, and we can see on the map how I connected all these towns. You see it? Historically, somewhat close actually, historically, isn't it? Next up, we're gonna place terrain, as in forests and swamps and all this good stuff. So see you next video.